traversal with a for loop. A lot of computing involves processing a string on character at a time. Often they start at the beginning. Select each character in turn. Do something to it and continuing until the end. This pattern of processing is called a traversal. One way to write a traversal is with a while loop. Index equal to 0, while index then len fruit letter equal to fruit index. Print letter index equal to index plus 1. This loop traverses the string and displays each letter on a line by itself. The loop condition is index slash then len fruit. So when index is equal to the length of the string, the condition is false, and the body of the loop is not execute. The last character accessed is the one with the index. Len fruit. One which is the last character is the string slice. A segment of a string is called a slice. Selecting a slice is similar to selecting a character. S equal to monthly Python. Print s 0 5 month. Print s 6 and 13 Python. The operator returns the part of the string from the character of the each characters, including the first but excluding the last. This behavior is counterintuitive, but it might help to imagine the indice pointing between the characters. As shown in the slide, if you omit the first index before the colon, the slice start at the beginning of the string. If you omit the second index, the slice goes to the end of the string. Fruit equal to banana, fruit 3, ban fruit 3, Anna. If the first index greater than or equal to the second, the result is empty string represented by two question marks. Fruit equal to banana, fruit 3 3. An empty string contains on characters has length 0, but other than that it is the same as any other string. Strings are immutable. It is tempting to use the operator on the left side of an assignment with the intention of changing a character is a string. For example, greeting equal to hello world, greeting equals J. Typer error. Object does not support item assignment. Object in this case is the string and the item is the character you try to assign. For now, an object is the same thing as a value, but we will define that definition later. An item is one of the value is in a sequence.